Hello, and welcome to the Grumpy Gobbler channel. My name's Noah, and in today's video, I go solo camping in late July 2021. That's the year. This year. Thanks for coming along. It is July 31st, Saturday, July 31st, 2021. And after not camping for maybe a month or more, I'm finally going back out camping. I almost didn't go because we're supposed to have thunderstorms all day long, both today and tomorrow. But as you can see, looking pretty good. It was actually cloudy and drizzly at my house. I'm about an hour away from my house, going up to a spot that I've been to before. And I'm hoping the weather stays like this for a while. I don't mind a thunderstorm. So I don't mind if it comes in the afternoon. I just don't want it right now. Not much else to say. I really just wanted to get out, camp, have some quality alone time. And I have a couple of videos I think I'm going to do on this trip for my channel. I think I'm going to do one video on why I camp alone, another video on why maybe you should consider sleeping in your car and not in a tent, either rooftop or ground, or a camper. And then of course I'll probably do a video on this trip. I don't know, I'll see what kind of interesting stuff I can talk about or show. All packed up. I don't know why, it just seems like I brought less stuff this time. So hopefully I didn't forget anything. I mean, I have the basics, so it should be okay. Right now I gotta find a spot to pee because I need to go really bad. Anyways, check in later. Somebody's shooting. I've arrived at my camp for tonight. Contemplating, there's a couple more spots up on a little plateau over here, but because I'm expecting thunderstorms, I'd rather not be exposed. I'm kind of protected here. All these trees look healthy. Doesn't look like any of them will tumble. Maybe that one, but I don't think that's going to hit me, even if it does go, which it doesn't. Still has some life in it. You can see it's a little wet, so it has been raining up here. And all the more reason to be here and be somewhat protected. Obviously, there's nothing right above me here, but I'll put out my awning. And everything will be hunky-dory. It's nice and peaceful, except the gunfire. It's nice and peaceful up here. There's not a lot of people. And that's why I came here. And you may have seen I have another video of me camping in the same spot. And it did rain then too, so crap happens. I need to make sure that that's level. I'll take out my phone and make sure it's level with a little leveling app. It's nice and peaceful and quiet in here. And come check out my view. Let me go this way. Not much of a view right where I'll be kind of hanging out, but just a few short steps away. I have this. Last time I was up here, it was cloudy the whole time. I don't think I ever even saw the sun. So, a little more stunning here today. That's Weston Pass up there. I'm not too far away from it. You might see a little hut up at the top of one of those ridges. Actually, one or two. And you can rent those and stay in those huts. Howdy! I got a request on one of my videos to show me setting up my sleeping quarters system. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my sleeping quarters and bring you along. First thing I gotta do is remove my toilet. Then I will move the stuff I'm going to need out of the way. Take out my chair. And I'm not sure, these are the poles for my awning. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. Maybe I can put them there. We'll see. Find the zipper for, this is my mattress. It folds up into this nice bag. And I don't know how this video is going to come out, but we'll see. So first thing I do is take this mattress. This is a 3-inch trifold mattress pad. Take it out, get it out of the way, and I take the bag and I just fold the bag and keep it right here. Just put that right there. Figure out what direction this mattress pad folds out to. And put that down there. And there's my sleeping system. I did forget to move up my seat, so I got to move up my driver's seat. And I know you can't see it, but I have that little flap that I built, that folding flap. And I fold that out. Got my pillows. Put my pillows up. Take out my sleeping bag. This is my summer bag, so it's nice and small and light. And there you go. Sleeping quarters set up. I don't even know if you can see me. And it's really that simple. So it's really nice because I can actually, if I needed to vacate this place really quickly, I know I could do that because I could just leave this deployed and throw everything on top of it. I don't leave it that way when I'm just driving around day to day because I don't want to get things too dirty. And Plus, it just takes a minute to set up. So, there you go. Thrilling, wasn't it? All right, my camp is all set up. I did a video about the deployment of this awning. I don't know if I'll put that in this video or create a separate video for it. It is July 31st, 2021. And shockingly enough, it's not raining. Oh, there's mushrooms all over the place here. I wonder if they're edible. Maybe I'll get so drunk that I try it. Just relaxing in my chair. I'm on my second beer already. And on the beer menu today is Hop Valley. And I'm not going to be able to get this one out of the koozie because it's open, but this is a Bubble Stash, one of my go-tos. I've already had that's a Cryo Stash sitting down there that I've already consumed. And I get a 12-pack that has a variety of these. The Cryo Stash is kind of my least favorite, but it's okay. Bubble Stash is the good one. Like I said, my camp's all set up. Got my toilet ready for when I need that. It's a little humid out, actually. So it definitely feels like we're gonna get some thunderstorms. Last night at the house, we had a really good thunderstorm. Really good. Lightning flashes like every second. It was fantastic. I love thunderstorms. So I'm kind of hoping that I have one tonight. Maybe not get struck by lightning or these trees get stuck by lightning, but a thunderstorm would be good, especially with the mountains surrounded by mountains. It just becomes an echo chamber and it's pretty awesome. Well, it started to rain. Unfortunately, it's kind of coming in this way. I think I will be ordering the sides for this to go all the way from there all the way to there. And if I had something like that, I'd be fully protected. We do have some thunder. We had a good one just a second ago, but of course I wasn't recording. So hopefully while I'm recording, I get a good strike. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the rain. And you might be able to see it through there. Certainly see it out there. Okay, getting a little wet. Hopefully I don't regret not having the sides now. This is the first time I'm using the lights under here, and it certainly adds plenty of light when it gets dark. All right, lightning, come on. Have at it. Let me hear it. Seem to be having a good thunderstorm right now. So I thought I'd record a little bit. It's already a little chilly, so I'm having a fire. I just saw somebody driving down the road. You might be able to see the road back there. Maybe not. Not that that matters to you. The rain had just died down. It was dead. And I thought, oh, okay. Well, I'll have the rest of the evening without rain. False alarm. I will be getting the sides for this thing. It'll be very nice during the winter. So I can enclose this, have the fire in here. There's still venting there, and there'll be venting back there. But it'd be nice to chill out here in the winter. It'll be nice and warm in here with the fire going. And of course, now that I've started... Oh, no, I just had a flash, so we'll have thunder now. Oh, just saw a flash, so we'll see how long that takes for the lightning. Thunder, I mean. About a mile. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. Then again, it doesn't hurt that I'm on beer number 4. I was just listening to music, singing along. Luckily nobody's here, so I'm not making a jackass out of myself, except to myself. And I can live with that. I'm very familiar with making a jackass out of myself to myself. Don't really want to go out in the open. Probably not a wise idea with lightning, because these trees will take the lightning for me, because they're the tallest things around here. You might hear water dripping on the microphone. It smells so good. Be nice if YouTube had smell-o-vision, because it smells so good right now. It's probably about a little before 4, so I still have quite a few hours of daylight left. And earlier I spoke about possibly having a roast beef sandwich for dinner, but I think I'm actually going to want something warm, so I probably will make a mountain house. I have 2 selections. I think I have lasagna and I have chicken dumplings. Lasagna kind of sounds good, so I might go with that, but who knows? We'll see how I feel when I start to cook. I just love that sound. And I don't know, I recorded earlier about why I camp solo. I don't know if I'll put that in this video or make that a separate video. Somebody in one of the comments did ask about that. But one of the reasons I do like to camp solo is once I get a little buzz going, I listen to music and start singing along. And I thoroughly enjoy that. Okay, I'm going to film this again because I was filming it before and the battery died. So, for dinner, I'm going to go ahead and make a mountain house. I'm going to have chicken and dumplings. And to drink with that, I'm going to have this Earned It Hazy IPA from Snake River Brewing, if I'm reading that correctly. I don't think I've had this yet, so we'll see how it goes. Looking forward to trying that out. I was going to do a more thorough video of dinner preparation, but the weather is not conducive to that. It's now about 5:30 and it has not stopped raining, and that's okay. It just makes dinner prep a little bit different. And still have my fire going. It's nice and warm over here. I've been listening to music and listening to the rain. Shockingly enough, about 20 minutes ago, somebody actually drove by here. I don't know where they're going, but they didn't look like they were camping or anything. They were in a Jeep Gladiator. I didn't see anything with them. So, who knows? Maybe they're just out having fun. All right, my water's boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and get my dinner started. Well, it's a foggy morning here at camp. I just woke up and slept okay. Not great, but not too bad. Went to bed early, so I should have had plenty of sleep. Nice and foggy and quiet. See what it looks like over here. Sure, we're not going to see much. It rained a little bit in the middle of the night, as expected. You're not going to even see the pass. Pretty in its own way. You probably can't hear it, but I can hear the river down there. I'll get my coffee ready, then start packing up and get my keister home. Good thing about this setup is it won't take me long to pack it all away. Okay, I'm leaving camp. I'm sure there's going to be a little bit more water on the road than when I came in. A lot of squeaking in the back of the vehicle. I thought somebody might have camped over here, but it doesn't appear so. There's a spot right around the corner to the right here. That's where I thought they might have gone. Oh, yep, they are there. Let's do this. Let me roll down the window so the view is better. This will probably be the last video I shoot. Try not to drive on the flowers, Noah. I know it's a little bit noisy. It'd be kind of fun to come up here in the winter. This road might get a little treacherous though. Not right here, but farther down it gets really slick. Turn on my fog lights. And I know it doesn't look like anything on camera, and it's really not steep, but it's very, very slick. And it's just off camber enough to make it interesting. I could have gone that way. Wow. That's a lot better than I thought it would be. But this is slick. Gotta take it easy because my window's down. Alright, back on the main road. I think I'll go ahead and end this here. If you made it this far, thanks for coming along. Please like and subscribe, comment if you desire. And that's it. Happy trails.